In the heart of Montecito, where the air smells like sea salt and quiet luxury is the local religion, stands a Mary Craig masterpiece that defines Spanish colonial revival. Originally conceived in 1929 as a Mediterranean village, this estate has been polished to a high shine by designer Xorin Balbes, proving that some legacies, much like a fine Rioja, only get better with age. The architecture is a masterclass in intentional rhythm. We're talking thick whitewashed walls, authentic red tile roofs, and hand-hewn beamed ceilings that provide a grounded, old-world soul. It's a compound in the truest sense, a private Andalusian Hamlet where the 6-bedroom main residence, a 2-bedroom pool house, and a dedicated entertainment pavilion are linked by winding brick courtyards. It's the kind of layout that allows you to go into town just by walking to your guest house. Lifestyle here centers on the Montecito mingle, the seamless transition from interior elegance to sun-drenched terraces. A sparkling pool and spa anchor the romantic courtyards. Overlooking the pool, the expansive back terrace captures a romantic sense of drama, where water, sky, and sparkling ocean come into view. It's heritage architecture without the stuffiness, a rare, heirloom-quality sanctuary that captures the very best of the California coast. It doesn't get any more quintessentially Montecito than this.